It turns out something like patio moss can really trigger some people. Some people really like it, some people really hate it. Well, I'm one of them that doesn't like it, so I am gonna show you how I remove the patio moss off of my patio. Now look, before you go commenting, if you have a patio and you like patio moss, leave it. Now, personally, I don't prefer it, so I'm gonna take it all off, or at least the majority of it. In order to do that, I'm gonna use a hard bristle brush. What I found to work best is when I use the hard bristle brush right after a rainstorm. It's slightly gooey and a little bit clumpy, therefore it kind of attaches to itself and pulls itself right out. Surprisingly now, it doesn't take a lot of pressure, but it does take a lot of back and forth to do this. And now I've tried a few other ways to do this too. I've even used a weed puller and individual grout lines like that and just kind of picked it out. Sure, it works great, but as you can see, we got a lot of grout lines here. And the other thing that I used was the pressure washer. Now sure, that worked really well, but of course it makes a huge mess. It sprays all that dirt and all that organic material all over everything. And making a big mess, cleaning up another mess, you know, it didn't make sense to me, so I think this is working the best for me. By now, the experts have already left a comment saying just spray it and be done with it. A patio of this size has drain tile underneath of it. Those said drain tiles drain all the moisture to the backyard, which is currently beautiful grass, but it wouldn't be if we just sprayed it.